Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.9 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on this MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version from this list. See, here we have the 8.4.9 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all the older versions. Then you have to select the version. See, here we have the Ubuntu Linux selected. Then select the OS version. See, here we have the 24.0. Then once we selected above options, see here it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 491 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads, ls. Now enter the star file, tar hyphen accept, then MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter, ls. Now we have to install them, but before installing them, install following dependencies. Control it, sudo apt install mcap hyphen ipadic hyphen utf8 libao hyphen dev. Hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user. Hit enter. See, both are already newest versions. Okay, control A. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg hyphen I star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.9 LTS version. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter the same. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.9 LTS version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. Okay, now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is active and running and its service status is enabled. Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL hyphen u root hyphen p. Then provide the password of the MySQL root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 8.4.9 LTS version. Okay, we can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Control A. Now we'll create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. See, you have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to a database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this user. Exit. MySQL -u, new username is David -p, then provide the password that he has set for this user. So you have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. You can also verify the same by running the command select current underscore user. So we have connected to MySQL server 8.4.9 LTS version by using the. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Okay, now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user and we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.4.9 LTS version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. Control sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped 6 seconds ago. If you took it, you can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl. See, you have started 4 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, you have restarted 1 second ago. If you took it, control it. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL OpenChat DPR. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. I have already installed DPR. So open it. Now click on this database and select new database connection, or click on this plugin button. Then select MySQL, then click on next. Port number 3306. We have the database bank, username, root. Then click on text connection. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Click on driver properties. Then change this public key retrieval from false to true. Then click on text connection again. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.9. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. See, we have database bank. Expand users. See here we have the user David. Now if you want to create database, right click on databases, select create new database, then provide the name of the DB. Click on OK. See, new DB is there. If you want to queries against this database, right click escalator, then open SQL console. Now can run the queries. Click on this execute button. So you got the output. Okay, so we have successfully connected. Now go to terminal ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.9. rm start.dep. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls. See here we have one more file, removed rm MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.4.9 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we have connected from the MySQL command line client and MySQL and DBR. Okay, for more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.